From tight budgets to complex compliance requirements, there are many challenges that schools face when it comes to financial accounting. But don't worry, in today's video, we're diving into the most common financial hurdles schools encounter and how you can overcome them. Whether you're a school administrator or part of the finance team, these insights will help you navigate the tricky world of school finance. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges schools face is budget constraints. With limited resources, it's tough to allocate funds across all the necessary programs and activities. But here's some strategies to overcome that. First, prioritize spending. Identify the most critical needs, such as essential educational materials, and allocate funds accordingly. Or regular expense reviews. Continuously assess expenses and look for cost-effective alternatives. Plan for future financial challenges by forecasting budget needs and potential issues. Compliance with state, federal, and local regulations is a must, but it's often complex and time-consuming. Here's some best practices. Adhere to GAAP. Follow the generally accepted accounting principles to ensure consistent and transparent financial reporting. Use compliance tools. Leverage accounting software with built-in compliance features and keep up with training on regulatory changes. Here's a tip. Regular audits and reviews help ensure your school stays on track and avoids costly penalties. Maximizing the efficient use of resources is another significant challenge, especially when funds are tight. Here's some tips for efficiency. Prioritize impactful spending. Focus on areas that directly affect student learning, like curriculum materials and teacher development. Maintain transparency. Keep detailed records and regularly report to stakeholders to build trust and accountability. Cost-saving opportunities. Look for ways to reduce costs, such as negotiating bulk purchasing deals or exploring energy-efficient solutions. Integrating technology into financial management can be a game changer, but choosing the right tools can be tricky. Here are some steps to success. Choose user-friendly software. Select accounting tools that are easy for all staff to learn and use, like QuickBooks, Xero, or Zoho Books. Ensure integration. Make sure the software integrates well with other systems your school uses, like payroll and student information systems. Here's a tip. Technology can automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and provide real-time financial data, saving time and improving accuracy. Schools need a steady flow of revenue to cover expenses and provide quality education. Here are some revenue-boosting strategies. Community partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses for sponsorships or fundraising events. Explore grants. Look for grant opportunities specifically aimed at educational institutions and craft compelling proposals. Transparent budgeting. Once revenue is generated, ensure funds are allocated transparently to the most critical areas. And here's a tip. Regularly review financial statements to identify areas where adjustments are needed to optimize revenue use.